Shout out to the Sweet Farm. Yeah, big up Sweet Farm. Straight.
Right, so the Sweet family, you know what I mean? I original, you understand?
Yes, I hear the voice. You don't know Lisa. I represent for Sweet Farm. So subscribe to them YouTube channel right now. Right now.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Sweet Farm. So, I know we're in Jamaica and we're about to go back home. So we want to take back some good snacks from Jamaica for our children. So we're out in a little, what you'd call like a wholesale. Nice stuff that we think they would enjoy. So we'll pick up some stuff already, like we red hot banana chips, chicken and chips. So these will be things that we grew up on. So we want to give them a little taste or a little experience of our childhood. Cheese countries, that's a good one. Yeah. Cream crackers. Alright guys, so we catch up back with you in a bit.
Okay guys, so these are the butter kiss cookies. Coconut flavor, but this one, the butter cookie used to be my favorites, and them little biscuit here. Yeah. Number snackables. Ovaltine. Them one roughed up them. Cream crackers. Used to like them Dixie biscuits and the peanut butter as well. Yeah. Can I get a next cereal for Tally? Oh, you got that
because we don't have these in the UK.
Yeah.
So we got try and get the seasoning for the chicken.
Yeah. The jerk seasoning?
This one? Yeah. And the sauce.
Okay. Sardine. How that in the water? You want sausage? Oh, yeah, go on with yourself. Yeah. Which one you like? Hot and spicy. You got it hot and spicy? Hot and spicy. Alright, the chicken. Ensure. There you go.
Thank you. And guys, this is something I like to buy as well that we can get. Hydrogen peroxide. Better than Listerine.
Yeah. So you always get it when we come or go to America. How we do have it in the UK to buy. Lasco ketchup, Grace ketchup. Or the
Guys, this smells so good, you know. Don't know. But this is not Irish Spring.
it's Irish Spring right here, so okay, that green bucket. What away them copy it good. Yeah.
Can you see what this one smells like?
Yeah, the original. That the most fake. How are this? Oh, yeah, it nearly tricked me too, you know. Okay, I see him green bucket, you know.
It nearly tricked me again.
We need an almond. What is? Oh, look, here's some almond here. Wow, guys, trust me. I used to see my mommy use this in porridge and all her pastries and thing, but me tell her say them nice. I get one, you know, cause I really love this thing in my porridge and I cake them. Of them bad almond and rose. It is vanilla. You think said every year we can't buy two?
Yeah, how much we? Then if you get one more and if you can't figure it out.
Don't just get. Alright, we get because I really like it. I don't know. Yeah. We'll get the curry already. So he teared it by, came already tear by the jerk seasoning, but he Terry says she not use it because it's very salt, so I think we can give that a skip. Because you know we're trying to work down in the healthy thing.
This is where we got the cake in
Oh yeah.
Oh, they have the lids there now as well.
Yes, Sweet Squad. So, you know, we bake. So we're gonna get some cake tin. Them are bigger too. Alright, yeah man, them bigger, yes. For the cake in Christmas.
This one. Is it?
It look like the bigger.
Bigger than us.
Oh, the one behind. The one that look bigger now.
Oh, the same thing, you know? This one after.
Backside.
I think it's for this one. Yeah, them are small with it. And then this guy fit this one.
Yeah, walk on them. I don't know, but that's not for it.
Clear one.
So we got no luck. Got big lids, small tins. Oh yeah.
Yo.
Yeah, them book we used to my mother used to buy
We got a wholesale.
book for. Yes, it's good. Get some foam. The girls here. Yeah. Actually, Coco. I'm a colored camphor ball. I've never seen that before. Never seen that yet. Huh? Oh. Them. How can I cup this?
Sippy cup.
Baby. Baby Tally. Big girl now. No more baby cup for Tally.
For some reason, I think when I say a lot of things, I said last time.
Well, I think there's a lot of cut box. Come like them no mix strainer. We're very fine again. Every time you use them strainer, you have beer stuff in your drink same way. All of these soap, I know, when we used to grow up, we used to know about Sudsil and them thing there. My daddy is calling me. Alright, hold up guys. Look at the down so. People who know about this, Bulgar, $420. Yeah. Bulgar porridge when time Pitney go to school. If you're young, if you don't know about that, you don't know about Storm. Yeah, them have enough snack though. Alrighty. Suppligin. What all if I suppligin? All apple J. No baby. Oh Bulla, them one here. The road Bulla them. Yeah. Oh gosh. All people remember them are cornbread. So, cross clot. Argument rough in here. I wonder if they sell like the fresher bowl, a different. What Excelsior start make bun? I want that. Me alright with the spice, the national. I wonder if we can buy this something in here. What this we use in England this for the next one. But we'll buy it down so.
Yeah, more variety than other places.
This is a store you sell everything. Lucky Charms, we can't get that. Over so, Lucky Charms on this, so we can't get that for buy. Yeah, and there so.
When you could get that tricks.
Tricks. Them pretty like Tally.
I like that, yeah.
Anything sweet. Huh? The fresher bowl here, maybe that is somewhere here. Yeah, it's just it coming on like a pack, like But maybe that'd be like with toilets to or say Harpic, yeah. We could have asked the guy around this if them sell it. Go ask him. Hello brother, you wanna sell fresher ball?
We don't have any.
We don't have any. Alright. Which one that? Let me see it. Oh no, the one where you know which one? The one with hang off. No man, more on the fresher ball. No more fresher. Alright, yeah man. Alright, yeah. Hmm? Which one? Oh. Oh. Fuck, so on the muscular one. But it have a plug in though. It's crazy. Remember them book here? Yeah. I think that's it in here, sir. Sorry, so them not have the thing them for the cake thing though. Alright. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to wait till you know guys and then we'll go to a different shop or see if we get some more things. All them here tongue. Oh, this cake. Yeah, man, can grab some from Mr. Tariq. And them banana bread Terry that talk about. You can maybe get pineapple one. Look nice. But Tariq I love pine, you know, so maybe just get one for TV or Thais.
One pineapple, one chocolate.
I think the orange or the strawberry look nice though. I think that's it. You want a sauce up juice or this? Maybe may I bring a drink on the flats, yes? Which one you want? You want the big one? You want a big one? What's the sauce up? A pineapple? Oh, see sauce up here. Yes, people. All cereal. I get this. I wonder if them cereal taste like real cereal. Cereal. Oh, this look. I wonder if this tastes good. But them orange juice there. To them have them in some smaller box now. Cherry juice, fruit punch, a peanut punch, and good cow's milk. Yep, bigger. Everything in the store you do. Things say that cereal drinks that taste good. Alright, I'll get a sauce up for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah man, I love them so I don't really feel so heavy. I want to wait.
So it's 520.
Okay, 473, 16 ounce. Not bad. Yeah man. There's some nice na the porridge and them thing there.
Tea.
And tea. Alright. Yeah guys, I'm going to get one nutty body to see if they have none. Jam, ice cream cake. Drumstick, yeah man, I'm going to get a drumstick. Yeah. I used to love this. And then I get the drumstick or one of them creamy cookie. I get a drumstick because right now my belly full. And now I can't eat off the cookie and cream. That's a shot of them. You go help me. You help me eat this. You help me eat this.
Yes man, definitely.
Alright. I always get this. Yum 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 yum. I will get this mayo and maybe eat this later. My belly already full. I just greedy. I want to eat everything inside here at Jamaica. Yes, I think that's it inside, yeah.